Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the basics so adjustments actually affect media. Flip the side silent switch so it's not silencing alerts. Remember that switch doesn't always change media volume. Next, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. This gives you the fast media slider. If you want sound from the iPhone speaker, make sure Bluetooth devices or wired headphones are disconnected. Otherwise, you'll be changing someone else's output. Once done, tap Audio Playback so the media volume slider controls the right stream. Now focus on the how. Start playing audio or video so the phone targets the media stream. Press the physical volume buttons to change the media level. If nothing moves, open Control Center and drag the speaker slider. It shows current output and level. Make sure setting sounds and haptics change with buttons is enabled if you want buttons to control ringtones and media consistently. Also check which output is active in the audio card. Bluetooth or AirPlay can redirect sound away from the iPhone speaker. Finish by setting levels where you listen most. Adjust the in-app slider for music, YouTube, or podcasts because some apps remember their own loudness. If sound seems limited, visit Settings Music to check any volume limit or sound check features. Make sure Focus/Do Not Disturb isn't suppressing media notifications. If volume won't change, first toggle Bluetooth and outputs, then restart your iPhone. If that fails, update iOS. Those steps resolve the majority of stuck volume issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.